Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the default archive format in PeaZip. First, open PeaZip on your computer. Now click on the three-dot menu at the top. From the menu, open Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look for the option related to the default format. Here, you can see the default option. In this section, you may also see a TXT option. For this tutorial, I'll select the format option and show how it can be changed. If you have different archive formats available, you can choose the format you want to use as your default. For example, you may choose a common archive format such as zip, depending on the options available in your version of PeaZip. After selecting your preferred option, click OK to save the setting. From now on, PeaZip can use your selected format as the default option when creating new archives. If you do not want to change anything, you can simply leave the setting as it is and close the settings window. Always make sure you select an archive format that you actually want to use before saving the setting, and that's how you can change the default archive format in PeaZip. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials.